week 2 of planning, and I realized that I didn't get into the planner as much as I'd hoped. I had such okay, I'm gonna be in here every single day and I'm gonna check things off. And I found that because I'm not used to using the planner, I didn't go into the planner, which begets the issues that I'm having with the planner. I definitely think that my 0.7 erasable pen is a little too thick. So I did order the 0.5. So I got the 0.5 and then I got the 0.38. So I'm gonna test those out and see if those are better. I think that I need to get better at writing things on the Post-its. So I do have like Post-its. I think I need to get better at writing things and then moving them around to see where I like to use the planning. So currently right now, I'm gonna turn this around and I'm gonna walk you through what I'm doing, what I like and what I don't like about my planner. And I think it's on me, right? I don't think there's anything wrong with the planner. I think that I am just learning how to use the planner. So week 1 was fine. I am so glad I have the erasable because I ended up erasing a lot of things. I planned things out that I thought I was gonna do each day and they didn't really happen. So that's where the stickers are gonna come in, I think the Post-its, whereas I think I need to put the Post-its down and then move them according to how my day goes. Because I work part-time and my hours kind of have to be flexible with meetings. If I get a phone call, I have to move things around. So I didn't get the vertical to time block. I got the horizontal. So I'm kind of wondering if I should have gotten the vertical and not the horizontal, because maybe I'm better thinking this way than this way. But I'm gonna turn this around. I'm gonna show you what I wanna change for week 2, and hopefully that'll help you with what you're doing for your planner.
I'm happy with the way this is. I don't mind marking off the days. I ended up, only using the washi tape like this. I have the small ones. I think that they're great to sort of delineate things that are going on. I didn't add a lot of things in here yet. I'm going slowly week to week. I don't have a lot of social plans right now, so that's totally fine. Over here, I found out I was erasing a lot of things because I was moving and not doing what I thought. So that's where I really think I need to bring in the different Post-it notes. So something like this. And then if I don't do the item on this day, I can move it or then put it in and then cross it off that I have accomplished it. So I do think I need to use the Post-its more. I like highlighting when I've done something so I can sort of see it. And then what happened was I got distracted at the end of the week and I didn't really come into my planner. So that was not very useful. So then when we go over here, I kind of did this as my to-dos, like, payroll. I had to do some returns, things like this, do a FedEx, write thank you notes, things like that. And then I wasn't really sure what to do here. So this is my book clubs and what I need to do over here in this thing. So this is all a work in process, and I'm not really sure because I'm starting a new week. What am I going to do here? So I'm going to plan this out. And again, I think these little stickies are going to be helpful so that, if I can pick it up, I can move it, because I know I need to post the 2 eyeshadows on Tuesday. So I know that some things have to happen here. So this is a problem. Then this was fine. I need to make sure to come in here and do my tracker. I want to add some other things here. So I'm going to think about that this afternoon as I'm doing my planner. And then I think this area for me is maybe too fussy, and I'm not going to go in here that much to check these things off. So I think what I might do is I may erase some of these and condense it to make it easier and simpler, because I think the too many options, too many things to come in and check off is too much for me. And so that I think I need to rethink. I'm definitely going to need rethink the project planner and how I want to use that. And then over here, I started doing stickies of things like I'd love to do, and I need to build it in and create a proper, I need to move that over, a proper section, like the books I'm going to read, the videos that are happening, the dates, and what they're called. And so this is still a work in progress. I haven't figured it out. It's definitely a start.
So not 100% of a fail, but also not 100% positive use of my planner. I like I said, when I was showing it to you from above, I am finding this project planner to be a little fussy for me, and I need to set aside a time each day just to come in here, check off my habit tracker, and make sure that my to-dos are getting done. This week was a little strange, the first week of January, because we had the holiday, we had closures with work, and I didn't really get to kind of get in here. So next week, I think it'll be much better because I have a set schedule. I have things on the calendar that I have to do for work, and then I can work around with the planner. So hopefully this second week, I'll get a little bit closer to figuring out how to use it and to be more efficient. That's week 2. That's what I got for you. I hope this was helpful. If you have any thoughts or ideas about better ways for me to plan this out, I'm still a little bit overwhelmed. I am definitely going to use these smaller pens to see if I can write smaller and put more things in here. And as the weeks go along, I will get busier because this was just sort of a funny week. So yep, that's all I've got. So thank you so much for being here with me today. Definitely hit the like and subscribe so that you will get notified when the new videos go up. And please let me know any thoughts, tips, tricks, and everything about planning because I am a total newbie and I want this to work. And I'm hoping that as each week goes by, I'll get better and better at it. And it's just, putting pen to paper, as I said, it's better to do it and not be perfect. And I'm relying on that eraser a lot. Right now, the eraser is my best friend. And I shouldn't worry about making it perfect, but getting in there and doing it. So thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.